How to rotate photos on iPhone. In this video I will tell you learn how to rotate your photos in your iPhone sideways, upside down, or right side or left side. So directly using Apple Photos app. You don't install any another third party app. Okay, so just you want to open your gallery photos app. Now you can see you have to just open your official photos app which is on your iPhone available. Okay, already click on the here and just face lock unlock. Okay, if there is lock any, then you have to just unlock. Okay, now you can see tap on the here, and now you have to just click on the here the three dot options there. So after clicking the three dots options, now you can see here you can find the here options is there many. Okay, so don't to click any options here, so just find here in the downside here settings options here there, click on these settings options, and now you can see you have to just here crop options is there, click on the crop options. Now you can see crop is there, so want to upside downside, then you can select here. Okay, so you can see easily here many options is there. Okay, so now you have to just here click on the here to in the left side. Now you can see left side you can triangle here, and you want to slide left right, and you can see upside or right side and downside. You can see here these options is there here upside left corner. You can do this easily, and just you have to done the options. Okay, click on the done, you can see. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Make sure like and subscribe to the channel. Genuine Guide.